Welcome back to my channel. I am on here again and I am doing another unboxing from Craftful Hope on Etsy. It's a small business that I support and it just so happens to be my daughter-in-law's business. So what I am showing you today is going to be decals that I am going to put on my Aerogarden units. So I'm very excited to do this. I have not opened them yet because I was waiting to do an unboxing, and I will put all the information for her products down below in the description so that you can go to her Etsy page and see everything that she makes. Let me go ahead and get this camera turned around because I want to lay these out on the table and show y'all everything that she made for me, and each one goes on one of my Aerogarden units. So I will show you how to put them on and then we can go from there. All right. As I showed you before on the last video for Craftful Hope, she made me a craft paint holder, and you can go back and watch that video, and also there's a description down below so that you can go to her page on Etsy, and it's called Craftful Hope. And we are going to go ahead and open this up and see everything that's inside. Everything is always nicely packaged. I love that. And anything like this is just nicely packaged, but the other stuff is very secure so that it doesn't break. And if you have any kind of customization things that you would like to do, she responds very quickly. So I have all her information below. So she gives the vinyl decal application instructions. So if you have any issues, you can always refer back to the instructions. But if you need to reach out to her, she responds very fast. So we'll put these aside. And these are the ones that I got. So excited for. Oh, I love these. So some are black, and right now some are white, and that is because some of my units are white and some of my units are black. So it also comes in colors. I just wanted to show y'all that, and I wanted to make sure you saw how many choices that you do have. And then a nice little card for supporting small businesses. We definitely want to do that. We want to support small businesses. And I know you can't see the ones written in white when it's on the black unit. You'll be able to see it as plant powered. This one's going to go on the white unit. And then all the rest of these are going to go on the black unit. So I will probably go ahead and get these set up and laid out. That way you can see everything and how it's applied. It's very easy. Actually, she explained it to me, but like I said, she gives you instruction, so that way you know exactly how to do it. But yeah, she's on Etsy, and I am definitely going to leave her description down below. So let me get the camera turned around. So we'll probably go ahead and start with plant powered, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I think everything is good and stuck. We've gone up and down and side to side. Oops. And so now we just slowly peel away the transfer paper. So I'm going to do that. Slowly peel that away. I mean, it's attaching so well. Oh, how cute. Thank you so much, Craftful Hope. And we're plant powered. I am going to do a couple of more of these on camera so you can see how easy it is. And you can see all the different ones that I did get. And then we're going to go from there. Okay, so here is the next one that we're going to do. So let me wipe down the unit with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. That's the first step. So we're cleaning the surface with rubbing alcohol. And then we are going to take our next decal, and this one is cute. Y'all are going to love it. This one is so cute. Our next decal, we're going to line it up to right there, I believe. Let's go ahead and take that off. We're going to be very careful. There we are. Okay, so let's get this one lined up where we want it. Y'all see what it says? Oh yeah, sometimes I wet my plants. Oh, there we go. So we're going to smooth it out. You know, when you put the rubbing alcohol again, you make sure that it's all dry. There we go. We're going to smooth it out. And the plant powered, the first one that we did, is so fitting because we're plant-based, and that's perfect. I think that's probably pretty good. I mean, we're not trying to stick the one part, we're just trying to stick the lettering. Once we got that done, we peel away the grid. So let me see where we're at with that. And it just lifts right off. Oh, it's not ready yet. Okay. Let me a little bit more. That's funny because we're talking about Craftful Hope. She brought me a nice little plant one day, and it had this laser printed on. That was so cute. And so unfortunately, I don't have the plant anymore, but I kept this. I love it. It's perfect, and it fits right there. And she can make any decal for you. There we go. Now we're stuck. Look at that. Look how that's coming off. And do it slowly. Don't go fast because you might have like that, like the little M was trying to come up. So you still want to do it slow. Slow and steady wins the race, right? So there we are. And anytime you order from her, if you have $35 or more in your cart, it's free delivery. You just have to choose that. So I am going to do the rest. I have a bunch of units to get done, and then I'm going to come back to you guys and show y'all everything.